As long as I got you. Ask me what I did with my life. I spent it with you. If I lose my fame and fortune, really don't matter. As long as I got you, baby. Clap your hands, you're so right. Clap your hands, you're so right. Clap your hands, you're so right. As long as I got you, baby. Clap your hands, you're so right. Clap your hands, you're so right.
Ooh, let me zoom in. Oh, don't forget to write your name. Do you have the pen? Can you pass this to Tracy, please? You guys are doing really good. The colors look really pretty. The reason why I got those colors is because it's not gonna like.
Wonderful mentor. I give generous to the community. I'm a great listener. I sparkle, I shine, and I'm successful. I think. Fun stuff.
Do you think it's accurate?
I think so. It's good. I listen well. I think I'm successful. I give good to the community.
Very nice.
Before, but not anymore. So, okay. You want to go next, Twancy?
Okay. All right. Can you record me?
Sure.
All right. So my lips are called the Glow Girl. I'm very generous. I think I am. I like to give. I'm a giving person. How do you say it? Competent or competent. Someone actually said I needed a common sense, but no, I don't think so. Successful. I hope. I mean, yeah. Diamond. I have a diamond lips. I thought you had diamond lips.
I had diamond lips.
Okay, diamond lips.
Yours might be a little bit more of a
Different
like a
sparkle. Take pride
round
in all
diamond.
you do. I think so. I think I sparkle and I take pride in all I do. Glow Girl. I love that.
Susan?
I am a divine diva.
You are definitely one.
I'm a wonderful mentor, I guess I am. Pride in what I do. I do have pride in my work. So I sparkle, shine, and I have round shaped lips. As you can tell with my blob.
Love it.
Nice.
Okay, I have round shaped lips. And I guess mine is called Living Out Loud. It is. I get bored easily. I'm good with teamwork. I bounce task to task. I do not like to argue, and I like life to run smoothly. Which I would say, yeah, it's pretty accurate. I didn't see successful, but it's okay.
So mine is handles with care. Not sure if that means I handle things. I'm grounded, reliable, love to nurture others, and people come to me for their problems. It's true. And I have that diamond-shaped lips. I'm so happy my lip shape has a name.
I am optimistic. Oval shape. I do not like to argue, which is true. Super true. Teamwork. Yes. Happy when others are happy, but I would definitely be happy when others are happy. And caring. This is very on point, by the way.
I love it. I love it.
Okay, so I'm in a rectangle shape. And it says expressionist, which is I would like to know what it means.
You're expressionista. You like to express yourself. Express yourself. You know, like Madonna, express yourself.
Well-rounded. It says well-grounded, nurturing, supportive, and protective of family and friends.
Oh, yes. Very nice.
I think that suits you guys.
Definitely. When I said like I kind of silly with my granddaughter, and then I said, hey, it's not that I am silly, I acted. And yeah, I am well-grounded.
My mom? Can you read it? You want me to read it? Okay. So my mom is a wavy shape. She handles with care. She's talented and is known and appreciated from family and friends. She's very artistic, creative, and imaginative. Mommy, family ấy chẳng đăng mommy thơ ấy mà họ ấy chẳng thơ ấy thì chứ mommy thơ chẳng bảo. Thank you.
I actually think she has my card.
We can all switch.
Okay, mine says hippie chick.
Wow.
I like my life to run smoothly, caring. I avoid conflict at all costs. Peacekeeper. I like teamwork, and I don't like to argue.
Do you think it's true?
Some things,
Yeah.
yes.
Love
Maybe
it.
not all of them.
Love it. That's a lot of fun. So you guys can put that on your refrigerator, or where's anything that's magnetic?
A car.
Oh, your car. That's a good one. They're like that. Your man's like, ooh.
Some applications.
So I heard you like things too.
I see you sound nice.
Like 3 miles ago.
That's cute.
That's funny.